Hi everyone, welcome to my new channel An Art of Smart Thinking. So this is the part 2 of table. ये वीडियो लेट आ रहा है, सॉरी फॉर दैट, बट without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first I'll write the HTML tag. In this video I'm going to show you something more about table. In my previous video I've already shown that how you can make the table, and in this video I'm going to show some new things. Okay, then I'll close the HTML tag, then I'll write the body tag, then I'll close the body tag. Then I have to create the table, so I'm writing table, in which I'll give border is equal to 2. Okay, now I'll start creating the row. So first I'll write row tag, then I will write data tag, in which I'll write women, and I'll close that. Then I'll write one more table, then I'll write, in this I'll write man, and I'll close it. Then I will write one more time td, in which I'll write children's. Okay, and then I'll close it. Okay, and then I'll close the row tag. Now let's see the result what has came till now. So this is what has come. Now I'll give the background color, which I've already shown you in the previous video. So I'm giving you the background color. Give background color is equals to, I'll give light pink. Okay, I'll give light pink. Now let's see, it's coming. And border color also I'll give it. So its background color is equals to black. हाँ ठीक है, black. Okay, so it's coming. If I want I can write light gray also. See, light gray. Okay, then now I'll write, I'm using one more tag name, that is table foot. Now what is the use of this tag? I'll explain you in few minutes. First let's do this much. So I've written the table foot tag. Now I'll write the table data. In this I'll directly write table data because I've already created table foot. Okay, in this I'll write number of women, so it's nearly 60. I'll close it, then I'll again open td, then I'll write, I'm just writing the numbers just to create a table. Okay, td, again I'll write 50, 40, close the table. Okay, now I'll close the table foot tag. Okay, this much is done. Now I'll write table body. Okay, in which I'll again write table data. Then here I'll write 20. Here I'll write td again. Here I'll write 40. Here I'll write td. Here I'll write 50. And I'll close the table tag, and I'll close the table body. Now let's see the result what has came. First I will give the background color to it, light green. Okay, here at body also I'll give it, just a second, light green. Okay, now let's, so till now everything is clear. Now what has happened? See, first I have written 60, 70, 40, like table foot I have written at first, but then to the results are coming at the last. This means that when you use this tag, it is just for giving the last, totaling, and for that it is used. And the body tag is for the data you want to write inside the table, and the table foot is used to write the total of all the. So see, at last it's coming. This means that it is used for the last tag. Okay, so this is the use of table foot and table body. If I write table body, I have written table foot before table body, but then to it's coming at last only. So you can shuffle wherever you want. You can write first body and then foot. You can write first table foot tag and then body tag, however you need it. Okay, this was the thing. Now I'll show you one more thing. Now if you want, first I'll write this table thoda sa at the center. So I'll use one tag which I've already told you in my previous video, which is align is equals to center. Okay, so it's coming at the center, and also apply break so that it comes thoda sa niche. So I'm writing break. This also I've explained you in my last video. Please see it, it's very useful, huh? If you don't know anything about IT, HTML, then this videos will surely help you. Now see, I've done the break and it has came down. Okay, now I want that I should give a title to my table. But what happens whenever we give a title, it comes somewhere up and somewhere niche, and it doesn't come at top of the table. So for that, what you have to write, you have to after writing table tag, you have to use one tag name, that is caption tag, and you have to write I'm writing my table. Okay, and I'll close this caption and see the heading is coming exactly above the table. This is use of this caption tag. And here I'll write underline tag also. Just a second. So I'll write u tag and I'll close the u tag. See, so it's looking like a table, right? This much understood. Now here I'll add one more table data at the first, that is number, and I'll close that. Here everywhere I'll create one more table data, td, where I'll write 1, and then here also I'll write one more td and I'll write 2. Okay, see, sorry, what I've written, see, as I wrote in foot 1, so it's coming at last. But if I write at body, then it will come at so here I have to write 1 basically, and here I'll have to write 2, because I have written 1 at foot, but it will come at last only. So I'll write here 2. Okay, now let's see it is coming. Now what I want, that I don't want 1 and 2. So first I'll show you how to do call spin. Yani all this data first I'll write and show you so that you'll understand more clearly. Now at row tag, I am writing at my here sun number tag, I am writing call spin. Okay, so column spin is equals to 3. There are 3. Second, you'll not understand like this. I have to create one more tag. I'm erasing the caption tag, and here I'm writing one more table data, where I'll write here my table. See, now it's coming like this, which I don't want. So what I'll do, here I'm creating one more table row at the top. I'll write the table data, in which I'll write my table. Okay, and I'll close the table data. Now let's see. So it's coming like that, but I want that it should come at the middle, like at top, and all should be covered. So for that I'm using one tag name which is known as call spin, which is 4. Now let's see what it will come. See, but still the my table has not came at middle. So what I have to do, I have to write here where I have written td, I have to write here table head, and I'll close table head. Now see, it's coming at the middle. So this is the use of table head tag. And call spin tag means it will occupy the whole row, whole column, and it will merge the columns. Basically the use of this tag is that. And so this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my video. Thank you for visiting to my channel. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.